So there's what I've got to Storm Creek, 11 miles. So we will see how the new cabins look. Now that all of this is paved, it's such a more pleasant ride. I've been down there before. It winds all around to the river, to Horner Lake, and you still come out by Storm Creek. Okay, so off we go. This is on the road to Storm Creek, coming across from Bear Creek to Storm Creek. And this is an old family cemetery here. I can get up here. A little shaky. Don't know why somebody would come out here and drink beer at the cemetery, but they did, and that's a shame. See how old some of these graves are. If there's markings on them. 1811 on that one, I believe. Can't really tell there. That one's 1905. Wife of somebody Smiley, Nancy Elizabeth Floyd. But there are quite a few graves through here. And like I say, headstones, you can't really read most of them. That one, I believe, is 1886, possibly. Marker there by the tree. Marker there by that tree. A couple smaller ones here. If I was guessing, I'd say possibly small children that passed away. But, and there's a marker by that tree. Interesting. Just out in the middle of the woods here, right off the road. Final resting place for a couple generations. All right, back to the road. All right, so we are here at the new cabins in a walk-in camp area. I haven't been here since it's been open, so we'll take us a quick glance. Not bad. Not as pretty as where we're at, but it's not bad. Trail. Pretty good deal here. Let's check out these brand new restrooms. cabins. Nice. Very nice. Different showers set up. But nice. And here's the cabins. Not bad. Got a little porch. I don't know if you can see in there. Just a rustic look, I guess. Got bunks up there, one bed, table. I mean, this is a bare minimum cabin. That is for sure. But it does have air conditioning. Or maybe that's heat. Maybe both. But the porch is nice. Apparently there's 5 of them. Fire pits, picnic table, screened in porch. Restrooms there. Park ranger crew or whatever. I would assume that is probably some kind of combo unit, both heating and air, because you couldn't stay in that in the summer at all without air conditioning. Okay, so apparently I was right. I talked to the cleanup crew that was there for the cabins. Those cabins are both heat and air. Bunk beds and then a queen with a screened-in porch. And he said once you reserve it, they give you a key code. And the key code to go in that cabin is your last 4 digits of your phone number that you reserve under. Let's see what this is. Storm Creek Campgrounds. But it's a lot nicer than it used to be, that's for sure. A lot nicer. Dump station. Okay, well that's nice. Let's take a quick look right over here at the lake. Maybe with those campgrounds there, that'll give the lake a little more activity than it was getting before, because it just didn't get it like it like it should, and it's a decent little lake. So this is the swim area at Storm Creek. Similar beach setup as Bear Creek, but obviously this one has water. And they have the rental boats, kayaks, restrooms there, little picnic pavilion, and the pier. But this is a pretty lake as well. I'm gonna have to come back and fish this one day. Just all there is to it. It's not quite as big as Bear Creek, but it's a decent sized lake. Okay, so off we go again. This is the boat ramp at Storm Creek. So there are a couple fishermen here today. There's the two ramps and a little place to tie your boat up as you're loading and unloading. But again, this is a pretty lake as well. Yep, I definitely have to come here.